you have a jasmine rice and you cook like this, eat with the Tom Khem, okay? The pork that I just make pork belly. This go together very well. Yes. Sabadi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Wow, today we're gonna cook again, right? Yes. Okay. So I have a pork belly. Come stay with my daughter house overnight again, and she said she want a pork belly. So what you do with that? And we're gonna make Tom Khem pork belly. I have a pork belly here, okay? You can use a pork rib, any pork you want, but I'm gonna use pork belly today. And then what the ingredient we have, we use pork belly and egg, okay? And chicken flavor, oil, fish sauce, and black soy sauce, okay? Make sure when you go grocery, it say black soy sauce, okay? Because there's so many out there. So read carefully now. Okay, and I'm gonna use sugar. You can use any sugar, but I'm gonna use kind of like brown sugar today. And black soy sauce, fish sauce, chicken flavor, and black pepper, salt. And of course, vegetable oil. And here I have is cinnamon. And this is star anise, okay? And this is nutmeg, garlic. And this is, of course, like Lao Food have to have these three to get like flavor. They have to go together. Here is lemongrass, kaffir leaf, and galangal, okay? So most of the time people just stop right here. They use this, but Lao Food, you want to have a little of Lao flavor. So you put this ingredient in, okay? Okay, let's follow me. We're gonna go ahead start boil the egg first, okay? And my favorite, I like to use a brown egg. I don't know why, but I feel like the brown egg, it give more flavor than the white one. Okay, so I stay with the brown egg. If you like the white egg, it's fine. It tastes about the same, but I like this one better. Let's go boil the egg. Okay, when I boil the egg, my water is not super hot. It just kind of like almost hot, but not super hot, okay? But if they're bubbling hot, you put the egg in, your egg gonna crack, okay? The egg gonna crack. So I use while it's the water is kind of like hot already, but not bubble yet, okay? Not hot boiling yet, okay? So I go ahead put the egg in, and you wanna use anything with the kind of like nap, like spoon or something like this, okay? Put it down. Don't try to use your hand. Then you drop the egg, then you will crack the egg, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead let my egg boil and cook for 15 minutes, okay? And then we come back, check that one. Okay, so this garlic here. Yeah, smash them like this, and ooh, that piece is big, isn't it? Okay, wow, that is big. Okay, two, so that's perfect right there. Okay. Let's cut the pork belly into the pieces, okay? See, you want to see all that layer. All right. I turn on the heat up to like medium high heat, but not too hot. Medium high heat, okay, guys. Like my stove here, I do like number 5 to 6. First of all, you wanna go ahead. You can come a little closer and take a look, and then I put the vegetable oil first, okay? When you finish, put the vegetable oil. And then you wanna add sugar. Go ahead, add some sugar in. Add some sugar to your oil. And melting the sugar until it's caramel color, okay, until the sugar is melted. Okay. Okay, the sugar is melting right there, you see? Now you see the oil and the sugar is separate now, see? Now, I'm gonna start to go ahead, put my all this ingredient in, and that way is add all this stuff in, okay? So that way it's make it smell good. Get that aroma from all the herbs. Yeah. Okay. Then let's start to do that now. Black soy sauce. Chicken flavor. Fish sauce. And black pepper. Okay, now add the pork belly, okay? Add the pork belly. And you have to move it fast because you don't want sugar to burn, okay? I lower my heat down a little bit. Then I go ahead, add a little bit of water, not too much, just a little bit, enough to slow down the heat. So that way the sugar don't get burned, you know? Continue cook your pork. Galangal in. Add some galangal and kaffir leaf. You have to cut like tear it like this a little bit, okay? Break it like this. What they do, get aroma. Grass, you have to break it a little bit like that, okay? Okay, you see all the meat now is start to cook a little bit, so we wait a few minutes. And look at my egg right there. It's boiling right here. Then I lower the heat down a little bit, okay? You don't want to be speed up too much. Just slow cook, just like that. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Smells so good, that aroma of the herb and, you know, sugar and all kind of black pepper. It smells so good in my kitchen right now, guys. Okay, last but not least, I go ahead and add the salt in. Put all the water. Alright, let it cook, okay? Okay, see, I let this boil for a little while, and how you know your sugar melt? Look at this spatula, no more sugar built in there, right? So I let it cook for a little while, okay? While my egg boiling over there, and then I'm gonna transfer the pot, okay? Okay, I let this boiling for a little while, right? And then I take out my spatula. See, no sugar built in there, so it means the sugar is completely melting. Okay, so you let it cook for a little while. I think I leave it on about, you know, good 7 to 10 minutes so far, and my egg is about to be ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my egg to the sink and clean it out, okay? And let this one cook. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat. Pour all the hot water out first. See all my egg, it's still hot. Okay, it's not quite cold yet. So I just want to tap each one while you stand by, okay? Tap them like that and leave back in the water. Okay, see how easy it is after your egg is completely cooked. It's easy to peel them. Okay, see? I got all my egg ready. Okay, put in my pot here. And then I go ahead turn on the heat, my stove. And then I'm gonna go ahead turn this one off and transfer this to this pot, okay? But like I say that again, you have to have super strong arm to do like Gigi, okay? If not, then you can do like scoop it out a little bit at a time. So now, after I put all the egg and everything together like this, I'm gonna like let simmer, okay? Let it cook for good 30 minutes, okay? Okay, let's check it out. Ooh, wow, look at that. It smells so good. Just wait a little bit, okay? Ooh, look at that. Yummy. See? Look perfect, right? Wow. Bowl here and all the goodie, all the herb and everything else. Okay, let me feed you guys a bowl, okay? So my crispy garlic, okay? And you know, I love garlic. With this dish, you want it to be like, get the fragrance of garlic a little bit, special your homemade, and this is Gigi garlic, okay? And I'm gonna link that for you guys, so just sprinkle a little bit, okay? Okay, see? It's finished. So, what do you think of my Tom Khem? It's look good, right? Try to cook that at home, okay? And I'm not eating for you guys today because I have party to go and they got a bunch of food waiting for me. I see you guys next video. If you like, please subscribe and follow me for next video, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye. Like on. Bye.